Okay, about 20 years ago, while managing the Institute of Eye Imaging at Beilinson Hospital, I repeatedly encountered a surprisingly common problem. About 20 years ago, while managing the Institute of Eye Imaging at Beilinson Hospital, I repeatedly encountered a surprisingly common problem: finding a vein. Patients will arrive for retinal angiography, a procedure that requires intravenous injection. Some were oncology patients, some were dialysis patients, some were overweight, some had darker skin, and of course, there were infants. I watched clinicians puncture once, twice, sometimes several times before successfully accessing a vein. Patients become frustrated, procedures were delayed, some patients even fainted. Yet this problem exists every day in hospitals, clinics, infusion centers, and emergency departments worldwide. Today, several vein visualization systems attempt to help clinicians identify superficial vein only. However, visibility of superficial vein alone does not solve the problem. Veins may still be too deep, poorly visible, especially in difficult vein access patients. In extreme cases, clinicians may still require ultrasound guidance, which is expensive, time-consuming, and not practical for routine use. At ODY Medical, we are developing AVO, active vascular optimization. Rather than simply helping clinicians see veins, AVO is designed to improve vascular accessibility before puncture. While it is still too early to disclose all technical details, our approach combines advancing imaging, vascular interaction, computational guidance to address limitations that existing systems cannot overcome. In simple words, we aim to bring the veins closer to the clinician rather than forcing the clinician to search for the vein. This challenge affects an enormous market. Billions of vascular access procedures are performed every year worldwide. The need continues to grow due to aging population, chronic disease, infusion therapies, and increasing healthcare efficiency requirements. Our business model combines capital equipment sales, consumables, software and AI upgrade, service and maintenance, OEM partnership, creating both recurrent revenue and strategic growth opportunities. The project has already received funding from NUFA program. Prototype planning is underway. An initial patent application is being prepared. We have also received a letter of intent from Professor Nissan, Director of Surgery at ZIF Medical Center, who has expressed her interest in conducting an initial pilot evaluation. Behind AVO, there is a small but highly committed team combining medical, scientific, engineering expertise, business advisory. All focuses on bringing this technology from concept to clinical reality. Passive vein visualization was the first generation. Active vascular optimization is the next. We are currently seeking a strategic and financial partners to support the development, validation, and commercialization. An investment of $800,000 will enable completion of the advanced prototype and execution of the first clinical study. If the vision resonates with you, I will delay it to continue the conversation. Thank you.